Hey everyone, welcome to SarteK programming. Today we will be seeing the 8th question of this series in which I will be covering previous year TCS NQT and Ninja coding questions. This is the 8th video of this playlist. If you haven't checked the first 7 videos, do check them out. Now let's read the question. There is an ATM machine. Initially, it contains a total of k units of money. N people want to withdraw money. For each valid I, the ith person wants to withdraw AI units of money. The people come in and try to withdraw money one by one in the increasing order of their indices. Whenever someone tries to withdraw money, if the machine has at least the required amount of money, it will give out the required amount. If this is the case, display yes, otherwise display no. Okay, so there's an ATM machine and initially it has k units of money. Okay, and then there are n people who visit that ATM machine and one by one wants to withdraw AI units of money. So if the machine has that much of money, it will give it to them. And if this is the case, if the machine has enough money, we will print yes. And if machine does not have that much of money, then we will display no. Okay, so now let's see the sample input. This 5 is the value of n means number of people. 10 is the value of k, that is the money that is present in the ATM. And then this is the money required by each person. So the first person wants to withdraw 3 units of money, second person wants to withdraw 5, third person wants to withdraw 3, fourth wants to withdraw 2, and fifth wants to withdraw 1. Okay, so for this input, this is the output. Now this is the explanation of how this output actually came. So the ATM machine initially had 10 units of money. Okay, and then first person came and he withdraw 3 amount of money. So now the machine has 7 units of money. So since he could withdraw, we printed yes. Then the second person came, he wants 5, we have 7, so we gave it to him. So now so since the machine had enough, we printed yes. Now the machine has 2 and this third person wants 3, so machine won't obviously be able to give it to him, so machine will print no. And so we printed no here. Then fourth person, he wants 2, we have 2, we give it to him. Now machine has 0, but this person got the money. Okay, now machine has 0, this fifth person came, he wants 1, machine has none, and that's the reason we will print no. Okay, so that is it, that's the explanation of the question. Now you can try this on your own, and then you can come back later to watch my solution. So now let's see the solution. I will first run the solution and then walk you through the code. Okay. Okay, so now what happens is I started executing. This first line is executed and it wants me to enter an integer which will determine number of people. So in our sample input it was 5, so we will enter 5. Then the execution comes to second line and it wants me to enter the money present in ATM, the value of k. So I will enter 10, and now this is the list of people that wants money, and we will fill this list using these 3 lines. Throughout this playlist I have used the similar syntax to fill the array, and I think you should stick with this syntax. We will loop from 0 to n, n being the number of people, and then we will take an integer as an input and then we will append it to the list. That's how we fill list in Python. So I think you should just I won't say memorize, but this will be the syntax every time we will be filling array, and I have done it in previous videos too, and I will be doing it in the next videos too. So okay, then so we will enter the array inputs. Okay, so this is 3, then 5, then 3, 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so we got the same output, yes, yes, no, yes and no. Okay, so now this I didn't explain this part, so now let's look at this part. So what happens is we will iterate through list. Okay, and by that I mean see, we have this array, right? 3, 5, 3, 2 and 1. So first we will come here and see if this, like, money required of I means this 3 is less than or equals to k. Our current value of k is 10, so it is, this 3 is less than 10, less than or equal to 10, right? So what we will do is we will print yes, and we will also subtract the money from total money. Like ATM had 10 and now this person withdraw 3 units of money, so now the machine has 7, right? So we will do 10 minus 3 and it will evaluate to 7. So now k has k, the value of k is 7, so 7 units of money is left in the machine, right? Then first iteration is over, we will come back again. Now this time we will see if this 5 is less than or equals to k. Now this time k, value of k is 7. Okay, so is 5 less than or equals to 7? Yes, it is. So what we will do is we will print yes again, and we will subtract the value of k. We will subtract the value of money required of I from k, because this second person came in and he withdraw 5 units of money. So now we have 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay, now in third iteration we will see that this 3, so the third person wants 3 unit of money, and we will check if money required of I is less than or equals to k. So money required of I is 3 and the value of k is 2. So is it less than or equals to, is 3 less than or equals to 2? It is not. So we will not go inside if, we will go inside else, and we will print no. So that's the reason in third line, for the third person we have printed no. Okay, now for the fourth iteration we will come again, we will see now this value of money required of I will be 2. We will see if 2 is less than or equals to 2, since value of k is 2 now, and since it is equal, 2 is equals to 2, so it will be evaluated to true, and we will go inside if, and we then we will subtract again money required of I from k, and this time 2 minus 2, it will be 0. So value of k is now 0. We did print yes, so for fourth person we print yes, we printed yes. Then for the fifth and final iteration we will come again, and we will see that this value of money required of I is 1, but value of k is 0, so 1 is not less than or equals to 0. We will not go inside if, we will go inside else, we will print no, and that's it. That's how it works. So I hope you got the solution. You can check this solution through description section of this video, and thanks for watching.